Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I am Wilbert.
And I am Donna. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, today's lesson is very useful, very practical.
Yes, today we will learn English for shopping.
Going shopping, buying things, asking questions, paying money.
Everything you need for real life.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly, clearly, and simply.
Easy English, real English, English you can use today.
Before we start, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's go shopping. Okay, Wilbert, we are at a store.
Yes, let's go inside.
What do we say first?
Usually you say, hello,
Hello.
or hi.
Simple. Sometimes the worker says, "Can I help you?"
Yes, very common. Repeat after me. Can I help you?
Can I help you?
You can say, I'm just looking. Or, yes, please. I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Sometimes I go to a store and I say, "I'm just looking," but I buy many things.
Yes, me too.
Now you want something.
Yes, you need to ask. You can say, do you have?
Or, "Where is?" Excuse me, do you have milk?
Yes, it's over there. Repeat. Do you have milk?
Do you have milk?
Where is the bread?
Where is the bread? Very useful.
Yes, you can use this anywhere.
Now let's go to a supermarket.
Okay,
Excuse me, where is the rice?
it's in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Repeat. Excuse me,
Excuse me,
where is the rice?
where is the rice?
Wilbert, what is aisle? Good question. An aisle is a long row in a store.
Ah, like a line of shelves.
Yes, exactly.
Now let's go to a clothing store.
Nice. I need new clothes.
Always shopping, Wilbert. Excuse me, can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there. Repeat. Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Do you have this in medium?
Yes, here you go.
Repeat. Do you have this in medium?
Do you have this in medium? Sometimes I say medium, but I need large.
Yes, it happens.
Now let's talk about price.
How much is this?
Very important. How much is this?
It's $10. Repeat. How much is this?
How much is this?
Wilbert, what if it is expensive? You can say, that's expensive.
Or that's cheap. Now you are ready to pay.
Yes, let's go to the cashier. Hello.
Hello.
That will be $20.
Okay.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Repeat. Cash or card?
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Card, please.
Wilbert, sometimes I say, I want this. That is okay, but not very polite.
Oh.
Better to say, I would like this.
Ah, more polite.
Repeat. I would like this.
I would like this.
Now, let's do a full conversation.
Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Do you have apples?
Yes, they're over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much are these?
They are $5.
Okay, I would like these.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, it's your turn.
Answer the questions.
What do you say when you enter a store?
How do you ask for something?
How do you ask the price?
Let's repeat key phrases. Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Do you have this?
Do you have this?
How much is this?
How much is this?
I would like this.
I would like this.
Great job today.
Yes, you did very well.
Now you can go shopping in English.
Yes, practice every day.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Mistakes are okay.
Tell us in the comments, what do you like to buy?
Food? Clothes? Coffee?
Yes, coffee.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.